Guys, nakakatuwa to. This is also one card na medyo ang tagal ko na rin inintay because sinabi ko, medyo naggandahan ako on how to earn their miles. And dahil nag-change sila ng kanilang miles program, well, hindi man miles program nag-change sila ng kanilang foreign transaction fee. This is a really good premium credit card if you want to earn your miles, in my personal opinion. But syempre, tingnan din natin lahat ng mga perks. And without further ado, we will be unboxing this credit card. Pinakita ko naman sa inyo kung anong credit card na yan. But, syempre, medyo natutuwa tayo dyan, di ba? Okay, so, syempre, hindi ko na papatagalin ang video na to. This is your Metrobank credit card. It will be delivered to you via SureTrack. You need your ID when you get your credit card, and definitely, kailangan mo ng authorization letter if wala ka pang authorization letter before you get it. This is a non-tamper or tamper-resistant na plastic. Nakaseal yung card na yan. If nakita mo to, guys, ganito po siya dapat. So, if this is not how your Metrobank credit card came, please report it. And if you see any tamper sa mga envelopes, even sa mga plastic na to, do not accept the credit card. Call Metrobank, do not activate it, and then make sure that, guys, ipa-replace yung credit card mo, okay? So without further ado, pupunitin ko na siya, sisirain ko po tong plastic na to. Sabi nyo, Jax, medyo parumbado ka mag-open ng envelope na to. Yes, but it's okay. 'Di ba? Mas gusto ko namang safe ang aking data and aking information rather than ano pa mangyari, 'di ba, guys? So, buksan na natin siya. And medyo na-excite ako. This is the Metrobank World Mastercard. Discover a world that's yours. Taray! Iba-iba talaga yung kanyang mga ano, di ba? And here is what you see. Very similar lahat ng mga Metrobank na, you know, how they deliver your card. They have a rough cardboard plus the envelope where your card will come in. And guys, discover a world that's yours. Scan to know about the perks. But here is a quick snapshot of all of the different perks of this credit card. So lahat ng mga parang pinaka-top perks na nandito siya. So, with your World Mastercard, you get 2 times global lounge access and unlimited lounge access. Now, the twice global lounge access, this is via Mastercard's Travel Pass. So, very similar to sa program ni Security Bank, ni East West, na KrisFlyer na Mastercard World, di ba? World Mastercard, I mean. So, you have 2 times access here. Unlimited lounge, and then unlimited local lounge, which is sa PAGS NAIA domestic. 3 and 1 and 3 internationally. You have Puerto Princesa, and you also have Davao International Airport. Then you also have 50% off or up to 50% off travel and dining experience. This is very common with all the Mastercard World cards. You have 3 times reward points on foreign currency spend. So this is what I'm telling you na medyo natutuwa ako kaya I'm so excited to get this card. And then you have low foreign transaction fee of 1.85% on foreign currency spend. Guys, this is the game changer for this card because again, Metrobank was always at 3.5%. But now we know that Metrobank was serious. Serious talaga sila na parang no, we will give good products. And finally, they gave good products. Kasi for the longest time, medyo nandyan lang yung products niya eh. 3.5% yung kanilang foreign transaction fee dati. 3 times 3 ka nga dyan sa reward points mo doon sa foreign currency spend. For me, I personally will not use that credit card pa rin because ang tsaka ng points is, ang tsaka ng rate, di ba? 3.5%, that's double of what other credit cards na the lowest foreign currency or transaction fee na binibigay ni East West, di ba? Almost double with what BPI gives in. So parang hindi siya sulit for me. Kasi sayang eh, for me, mas valuable pa rin yung every peso natin. But changing it to 1.85%, this is now at par with BPI. And with the 3 times reward spend mo, reward points mo with foreign transaction spend, guys, it can go as low as 17 peso for each mile mo. So, yung BPI mo na mga cards, medyo weak link na tayo, ha? Medyo, this is really good. This is giving, parang ganon. Okay, so, without further ado, let us do it. Ito yung envelope natin dyan. So, in front, you have your address, typical Metrobank envelope, very simple. Walang ka ano-ano. It is what it is. Ganun lang siya. So, buksan na natin tong card na to. And here it is. Okay? Pagbukas mo sa credit card mo na to, you will have your total credit limit written, and then you have a sub-limit for your cash advance. Ang binigay sa akin dito is 50%. And then the statement date is binigay sa akin on the 5th. At least, buti na lang iba siya doon sa travel ko na card. And then, payment due date is 21 days. In fairness, 21 days siya, di ba? And then, again, some reminders. All Metrobank credit cards are now printed and hindi po siya embossed. So this is, we have to make sure that it is printed. So that is all of the Metrobank credit cards now. Wala na siyang mga embossed. Meaning, guys, hindi na yung naka-usli, yung mga lettering or numbers, it all is now flatter na naka-print na lang siya. Mas madali na siya i-produce, in short. Sa Metrobank World Credit Card, okay, in front of it, we'll have your number, credit card number, your expiry date, your valid through, at saka your name. And then you will see the World logo here. And then sa likod will be your CVV or CVC number and your signature. So, unlike the travel, very clean, just your name, the World will still have all of the number printed in front. So, yun siya. Ganun lang naman siya. And this is basically it. And syempre, to activate, very simple. We have two ways via your app. You download your app, install, register, or you do it via SMS. And para ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, nag-SMS ako kanina. It's the same way na I will be doing it right now. I will be typing ACT, diba? Active short for activate, space, then type in the 16-digit number. Okay. And then I will be sending it to 225622, and then in a few minutes or seconds, ma-activate na yung credit card ko na yon. And then, tayo natin. So, I'm sure basta mag-activate na yan habang may mag-uusap ako dito with you guys. So, that is your Metrobank World MasterCard. Now, again, quick recap of all of the different perks. You have, ayan na, inactivate na. I'll show you the activation. O, diba? Basta magsa-start na ako mag-vlog, guys, ganyan mag-activate siya. So, perks niya talaga is 2 times global lounge passes ka via the Mastercard Travel Pass app. Mastercard Travel Pass app, ito po yung itsura niyan para alam nyo. Registration is very simple. Step-by-step yan via web. I have those videos here or on TikTok as well. Then you have local lounge access. Para at least alam na natin yan, I will mention all of the local lounge access since I have all my código right now. So you have local lounge access sa NAIA 1, NAIA 3, International and Domestic, Davao International Airport, both international and domestic siya, and you have Puerto Princesa International Airport. All you have to do, guys, is show your Metrobank World na credit card or you have your Metrobank Travel na credit card. Unlimited ang access mo dito, meaning ikaw limited. So if ever you have your friend that would want to go in, hindi po siya libre, may bayad yan. But at least libre siya, 'di ba? Medyo alam mong may libre ka. Now a lot of you will also say, alam mo Jax, medyo punuan yung mga lounge yan. I think that syempre there are more travelers right now, 'di ba? Marami talaga. It is what it is, 'di ba? But sometimes when you just wait for a bit, you will have your turn or agahan mo na lang. Now, to earn your reward points, every 20 pesos spend is equivalent to 1 reward points with all of with your Metrobank World credit card. But for your foreign currency spend naman, meaning international, cross borders, it is at 20 peso, you earn 3 points. So may times 3 yung multiplier niya. So maganda siya when you're using it or when you're spending it abroad. And what I love it about this credit card is also low forex siya, low foreign transaction fee siya of 1.85%. So it is at par with BPI. Diba? So guys, mababa talaga yan compared to all of the different credit cards out there na nasa 2.5. Dati nga ang Metrobank is at 3.5%. So it's really nice because now they're making it so much more accessible, so much more competitive. And kaya sabi ko, guys, let us give credit where credit is due. Naging competitive sila. I think na-feel nila yung pressure of all of the different credit cards if they want to fight in the international sphere. Okay talaga to. Okay, now I think a lot of people will be asking me, what is better? Kasi sabihin nyo, Jax, for you ba, what is better with the two? The travel or the Metrobank World? Okay. Sa totoo lang, this is also on a very tight spot rin, di ba? Both credit cards will give you unlimited lounge access locally. This will give you international access na dalawa. Diba? If you're going to look into and asking me, sino ba mas premium sa dalawang credit card na to? definitely, I believe that the World will be a more premium credit card compared to the travel signature Visa card, diba? But, what's the difference now? When it comes to conversion, if wala ka masyadong pake on earning your points, earning your miles, ganyan, then definitely, this will give you the best value when you convert it to Philippine peso spend because nasa 1.7 to 1.68, 1.7 versus the 1.85. Diba? Kung malaki yung ginagastos mo, that 0.15 kinda matters then. It will matter din ba? That's still peso value or pesos that you will be able to save. Visa will give you better rates, definitely with MasterCard, but very, very minimal rin naman siya. For me, if you really want to just look into peso value spend, di ba? Gusto mo the best rate pag convert siya to Philippine peso, then definitely the travel siya. If you want to earn your miles, di ba? And you are a really, really constant traveler, wala ka naman masyadong pakialam na you don't really, it doesn't matter to you na mas mahal siya ng 0.15% when it comes to foreign currency transaction fee na converted to Philippine peso, then definitely the World yung best choice for you. And if you want access to international lounge, then definitely the dalawa, then definitely it will still be the World as well. So yun yung difference niya, di ba? It's two different categories, two different meals, serving it on a silver platter for you, di ba? Local spend, when it comes to local spend converted to miles, definitely the local spend masulit to kasi sa 30 pesos to. Unlike with your Metrobank, medyo this will give you or it will land you at around 30, 40, 50 pesos for 1 air mile because 1 air mile kay Metrobank will still land you at around 50 pesos if you're going to use a World na local spend, diba? So, yun siya. So, medyo doon yun yung mga struggle mo. Maybe if you're a Filipino na lahat local spend ka talaga, marami kang local spend ka talaga, possibly, pwede eto kunin mo, 30 pesos per 1 air mile mo. So, at least mas maganda yung conversion mo for that. Yun yung mga things na naiisip ko right now, ha? So, yun. These are things that I am offering to you na baka ito yung mga pwede nyong pag-isipan, di ba? So, it will still depend on you guys, definitely. But I'm telling you that give credit where credit is due. Metrobank, in fairness, I'm kinda loving you because binabaan mo yung foreign currency transaction fee and the air miles. I know na makonti lang yung mga partners ng air miles niya. By the way, baka magtatanong, saan ko pwede i-convert yung mga Metrobank World ko na air miles? Philippine Airlines, ang partner ni Metrobank. Singapore Airlines, at saka Cathay Pacific. So, sa Singapore Airlines, you can definitely book flights kung meron award availability sa website ni Singapore Airlines sa ANA, Turkish Airways, di ba yung mga ganon. Sa Cathay Pacific, pwede ka naman mag-book ng mga JAL, pwede ka mag-book ng Qatar, pwede ka mag-book ng Qantas doon sa mga airlines yan. Again, depends on the availability sa website ni Cathay Pacific yan. But, guys, based on experience, you can watch my other vlogs on how I also fly for free using these mga miles. So, yun yung mga natutuwa ako. I do love earning miles because that's what makes me happy, being able to ride business class for a very cheap cost. And that's what I want you guys to also experience if gusto nyo naman. Kung ayaw nyo naman, by all means, kanya-kanya naman yung mga tao. But, yun po yun. That's a quick unboxing and sharing all the perks of the Metrobank World MasterCard. And guys, I hope na-enjoy niyo yung vlog na to. So if you do, don't forget, syempre like nyo naman, share, and then converse with me. Comment down below kung ano yung mga gusto nyo pag-usapan natin, di ba? But in fairness, good job kay Metrobank with these credit cards. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye guys!